Happy Thursday. It's our Hinge day. I actually just did yesterday's workout or Wednesday's workout. I am dripping. So here we go. I'm going to take you through all the movements. I'm going to demonstrate it for all fitness levels, and then you're going to rock it out. All right, so for the warm-up, 4 movements: jumping jacks, walking lunges, wide good mornings, and cat cows. For the jumping jacks, feet going out, hands over your head, or 1 foot out at a time to scale back. Walking lunges, feet are underneath your hips, step forward, lower your back knee, press up through your front heel. All right? Find some space in your living room, or just do alternating front lunges without walking. Wide good mornings, feet double shoulder width, shoulders are back, hinge. You're going to press your butt back, you're going to hit somebody behind you, keep your back flat. You should feel it all in the back of your legs. Cat cows, you're on all fours, tuck your chin around your shoulders, and then drop your shoulders, squeeze your scalps, and then raise your eyes. All right, those are 4 movements for the warm-up. Strength, 3 movements: tempo, Romanian deadlift, glute bridges, and single leg Romanian deadlift. For the tempo, it's 3-2-3-0. You're going down 3 seconds, holding it at the bottom for 2 seconds, coming up for 3 seconds, and then exhale at the top. All right, feet underneath your hips, shoulders are back, keep them squeezed. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. Exhale, reset. Okay? Glute bridge. On your odd sets, you're tying it up with your glute bridge and your Romanian deadlift each leg. So glute bridge, if you have weight, put it on your hips. Come up, press up through your shoulders, your heels, squeeze your butt. If you don't have any weight, hands on the ground, come up, full extension. Squeeze your butt. All right, single leg Romanian deadlift. Take your time, find your balance. It's a 1 leg deadlift, so you're on your foot, 1 leg, you're hinging, and then back to the top, and then you're going to do the other side. If that's hard, grab onto something, but don't rely on it. Just have it for support. You'll feel at the back of that leg, 6 each side. All right, for the workout, 3 movements: dumbbell deadlift, dumbbell hang power clean, dumbbell swing. Here we go. Deadlift, same thing as similar to actually the strength. All right, just go a little bit quicker. Exhale, exhale. If you have tight hamstrings, it's hard to keep your back flat. What you can do instead is hold these to the side, and then you can squat down a little bit with this. You're not doing as much as a hinge. Okay? Dumbbell hang power clean, feet stay underneath your hips. You're going to jump it up, dip, jump, catch it in your power position, quarter of a squat, and then reset. Dip, jump, catch it, and then stand. From here, if that's difficult, just do high pulls. And then kettlebell swings, feet wide, hinging, squeeze your butt. All right, or you can just do 1 at a time. For the accessory, elevated calf raises. Put your feet on a plate or a step at home. Come up, squeeze your calves. Squeeze them. You can have support if you need it. If you don't have anything, just do it without it. Donkey kicks. You're on all fours. You're going to press your heel up to the ceiling. That's one side. Here's the other. You're going to feel it in your glutes and your hamstrings. And then the finisher, mobility, cat cow. Take your time. Going to finish off with that. And then hamstring stretch. You can do 1 at a time and get your butt close to a wall, 1 minute each, or you can put both feet up for 2 minutes total. All right, that's your Thursday hinge. I'm gonna go shower. Love you. Have a good workout.